Nasa kalagitnaan na po tayo ng ating quarterfinal round at labanan sa araw na ito. Dalawang kupunan na wala pang talo dito sa ating quarterfinals. The Far Eastern University taking on the undefeated Ateneo de Manila Lady Eagles. As we rejoin the action mula po rito sa San Juan Arena, live na live po over GMA News TV, Noel Zarate, kasama si Andre Mulyacanda, na itong kupunan ng Far Eastern University almost solidifying already our semifinals race dito. Mukhang yung top 4 natin, kilala na natin.
Tama ka dyan. I think this game for FEU, of course, and their remaining games, it's just really all about positioning because may three-way tayo at 4-1 between NU, UST, and FEU. But like what you said, ito nga Ateneo, talagang very comfortably seated in the #1 spot.
Well, let's take a look at itong kupunan ng FEU. Of course, tumangkad sila with the addition of Jovelyn Gonzaga at ito naman si Royce Tubino. Now, Royce Tubino will be starting today pero open spiker ang kanyang pwesto. This is to try and offset yung power naman ni Eliza Valdez.
Tama yan. And alam naman natin itong si Tubino, also a very seasoned player. So the flexibility in terms of playing different positions, nandyan din talaga.
And of course, former NCAA MVP na rin yan. Hindi natin pwede pagkailayon. And of course, panggitna naman, Remy Palma, vastly improved. Of course, has now gotten into her playing weight. Yan naman ang makakatapat ng mga bigs nitong kupunan natin eh.
At itong si Remy, tuwang-tuwa siya. Mukhang excited for the game today.
Excited na nasa TV rin siya. Yan,
itong si Palma, of course, we've seen her grow throughout the years. At nasubaybayan natin yan sa Shakey's V-League. So definitely gonna be a threat at the net laban dito sa Ateneo.
Well, of course, there's Royce Tubino. So these two young ladies will be tasked to go up against this undefeated squad. Itong kupunan ng Ateneo, of course, being led by the #1 scorer in the league, ito si Eliza Valdez. Probably a foregone conclusion, maybe another MVP. At nakita natin dito Ateneo doing their dance routine before we begin. Let's talk about Amy Ahumiro naman, another player who plays multiple positions, sometimes utility, sometimes quicker. Today, panggitna siya.
Tama yan. Itong si Ahumiro, of course, has gotten quite a few awards na rin sa kanyang volleyball career at maganda nga yung naibigay na break sa kanya dito sa Ateneo ni Coach Tai. At isa siya sa mga consistent attackers ng Ateneo.
But that's not bad for a former basketball player who converted to being a volleyball player. And of course, Joanna Maraguinot naman. We can't say enough about the emergence of this young lady. Ang ganda na pinapakita in terms of offense. You said na nasa top 20 in scoring dito sa ating liga. And itong I think she's number 7.
Number 7,
sa ating liga. So in the top 10, ito si Maraguinot trying to alleviate some of the pressure naman para dito kay Eliza Valdez.
Tama. Ang maganda dyan, yung matibay na ikutan nila, no matter what rotation they're in, they have a solid outside hitter na mapupunta sa harapan.
Two UAAP schools, wala pa pong talo sa ating quarterfinals. Isa magkakaroon na today. Will it be Ateneo? Will it be FEU? Malalaman po natin yan when we return dito po sa Shakey's V-League.
Introducing our officials for the match. First referee, Jess Villarreal, national referee. Our second referee, Philip Season, international referee. Now introducing the starting lineup of the FEU Lady Tamaraw. Number 10, Honey Royce Tubino. Number 12, Kyle Angela Negrito. Number 7, Genevieve Gasugod. Number 2, Bernadette Pons. Number 18, Jovelyn Gonzaga. And their team captain, number 9, Remy Palma. Their libero, number 11, Kyla Atienza. Their head coach, Coach Shaq De Los Santos. And now for the starting lineup of the Ateneo Lady Eagles. Number 15, Joanna Maraguinot. Number 16, Amy Ahumiro. Number 7, Giselle Tan. Number 2, their team captain, Eliza Valdez. Number 14, Bea De Leon. And number 18, Kim Hegeliana. Their libero, number 8, Ella De Jesus. Their head coach, Anusord Coach Tai Bundit. To all the fans here in the arena and to all the viewers from GMA News TV, let's get it on!
Yan ang gusto kong marinig doon. Yung ating mabigat na boses ng ating Coliseum announcer, si Sherwin Malonzo. Let's get it on now. And of course, for the fans of these two teams, hoping patuloy pa rin ang kanilang winning streak.
Tama yan. At kaya ka very interesting ang ating laban ngayon. Ano? Alam natin, wala pang talo itong Ateneo. Ito na mga FEU. Alam natin, very important for them to win the remaining games. At they're going full force today.
Well, of course, itong si Genevieve Casugod getting the start today. At alam naman natin na papalit-palit ang starting lineup din ng FEU. Sometimes we see Jerry Malabanan in the starting lineup. Sometimes we also see itong si Basas in the starting lineup. But now, it is mostly the veterans dito, probably with the exception of Kyle Negrito. Pero karamihan sa kanila dyan, veterano. Para sa Ateneo naman, of course, interchangeable parts din sila dyan sa harapan. You know, sometimes we do see the two youngsters, De Leon and ito si Madayag starting. But today, the quicker will be Ahomiro. We are underway. Bernadette Pons, unang tiras, nasa gitno ni Ella De Jesus. And Giselle Tan gives it up. One more time around para sa FEU. Pons tries again. And there's a net violation against Ahomiro. First point to the Lady Tamaraws.
Lady Tamaraws celebrating that point. Ang dapat dito, no? Parehong koponan. Dapat the energy should be there throughout.
And a lot of energy being shown here at the very, very first point pa lamang.
The intensity, no? You feel the intensity already.
Dami ring fans na baon ng FEU today. Kyle Negrito with a good serve. Bernadette Pons kept alive there by De Jesus. Free ball coming up from Eliza. Atienza, Negrito, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Yan ang baon ng guest player na taga-national team.
Tama.
Let's take a look at that one again. Jovelyn Gonzaga, nagparamdam kaagad. An excellent shot also. Lead ng angulo na dadaanan niya.
Very tough angle.
Good start here for the Lady Tamaraws. They've gotten the first 2 points. Negrito on the serve into the net. First point to Ateneo. There's the captain, Eliza Valdez, the leading scorer. By how much? Ang layo, ano? Di naman pala malayo. By a good 13 points. Her closest pursuer is actually UST's Enaji Laure. Tatlo silang nasa 100 mark coming into this game. Of course, the third leading scorer in the team is ang Elijah Daphne Santiago lang naman.
Oo, just mahirap ang
Right.
Height advantage.
And there is Jovelyn Gonzaga with the experience advantage naman.
Gonzaga, 2 out of the 2 attempts converted into points.
And that is an ultra-fast fight brought to us by PLDT Home Ultera. The ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. A little slow defensively ang Ateneo to begin. Casugod with the serve. De Jesus, Tan, Valdez. Yes! Ayan na.
Bawi agad itong si Eliza, making sure na hindi lalayo ang FEU.
That is Eliza Valdez's 125th point of the conference. Giselle Tan on the serve. Atienza gets to that one. Gonzaga, 3 out of 3 to begin the game.
And alam ni Kyle Negrito, no, ang kanyang highest percentage attacker at pinupuntahan niya si Gonzaga early on dito pa lang sa first set.
And now serving as we take our friends from Shakey's. If it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Bernadette Pons. Combination play ngayon, Hekeliana. Negrito on the back set and tried to do too much with that one, Ann.
She was still in motion when she tried to set the ball.
Hindi na po kailangan sabihin kung sino yung nagsaserve para sa Ateneo.
Just listen
Yun na lang.
to the crowd.
Good serve by the Phenom. Gonzaga out of position. Finally, she'll be dug up here by De Jesus. Combination play. Kim Hekeliana, malakas. But Ty Bundit looking for a check ball.
No check.
So Hekeliana getting the start today. 5-3 FEU. And now we have Jovelyn Gonzaga on the serve. Taan, quick play. Masyado mababa para kay De Leon, but it will still work for Ateneo.
The important thing is gagawan mo ng paraan dapat, no matter kung off yung set sa'yo ng setter.
And the very tall Bea De Leon, listed at 5'10". I don't believe she's just 5'10".
Very deceiving because she has long arms and
Right.
long legs. Very slender body.
There's Negrito spinning around to drop that off to Remy Palma. Ganda palag ng FEU dito sa simula. Ha?
Oo. At saka gusto ko rin kung gaano ka-energetic yung kanilang crowd. They're really...
Yeah, they're really into it right now. PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Good serve there coming from Palma. Tan, airborne ngayon itong si Hekiliana. Negrito, Tubino, nakabangan ni Homiro.
No coverage there for FEU.
And Royce Tubino, of course, another interchangeable part. Dating quicker, now becomes an open spiker, but that time it was Maraguinot and Ahumiro teaming up. So Kim Hekiliana now on the serve. Habol si Negrito. Inangat para kay Tubino. Hekiliana, Tan, nice set papunta kay Maraguinot. That goes through the blockers, but Tubino is there. Tubino now on offense. Off the block. Hindi masasalay ni Maraguinot. So, 2-point lead pa rin para sa FEU.
Nakikita natin, wala ring mabagal na play.
Right.
Lahat, even if it's an open set, mabilisan pa rin ang balik.
And you would think the speed advantage would belong to Ateneo because yung lineup nga na FEU, Palma, Kasugod, and Tubino. But
Nakakasabay itong FEU.
Aliza, galing sa likod, hulog. Good reflexes there by Pons. Lifting violation daw on Kyle Negrito. And Coach Shaq is not happy with the call. That's actually a great heroic dig galing dito kay Bernadette Pons.
Would have been a good save, a good play. Coach Shaq clearly unhappy.
Pero labang pa rin po ang FEU ng 1 puntos. Maraguinot now back to serve. Negrito nakabangan ni Valdez. No.
That was very predictable kasi pag talon niya, kita mo isang kamay na agad yung nakaangat. And itong si Coach Shaq, sinasabi kay Kyle Negrito, utakan mo.
Mahirap utakan ng isa sa mga napakataas na volleyball IQ ng Eliza Valdez. Ateneo has tied it up at 7. Maraguinot, Tubino. Negrito, kabila ngayon. Atake ni Pons is long.
No check.
Yep. And Coach Shaq does not like that call either. Ateneo gets their first lead of the game, 8-7. Magbabalik po kami. Paalala po natin ang ating airing schedules dito po sa GMA News TV Monday or Saturday and Sunday live like today at 12:45 p.m. and Monday to Thursday at 1 p.m. Let's hear from the third member of our panel, Cristel Bachelor.
The FEU Lady Tamarows will bank on their high level of confidence and two reliable guest players, Jovelyn Gonzaga and Honey Tubino. Hindi nga raw may kakailan na this will be a very exciting game and hopefully what they practice in terms of attacks and set plays will pay off. Meanwhile, the undefeated Ateneo Lady Eagles said they are determined to keep their record clean. Kwento nga ng kanilang assistant coach, mas mababang manalo, mas masaya. The team said they focus on their offense and blocking today as they play up against the FEU. Back to you, Anna Noel.
Well, while Cristel was giving that report, Eliza Valdez just erased her voice
Yeah.
with that spike. Pero again, Ateneo, they don't want to lose a single match dito sa ating komperensyang ito. The last time that was done was in 2013, yung Cagayan Valley, 16 straight wins en route to the championship. Ateneo wants to duplicate that. Nice drop shot. Valdez! Oh!
Actually, Valdez seemed to have hurt her finger from that
she's holding out her hand now.
From that block. Kaya she opted to just put it over. Pero ganda pa rin ang pagkakagulong sa net
Right. That may halong dasal yan ng mga
pasok.
ng mga fans ni Eliza. Eliza still holding on to her hand though. Ateneo now up by 3 points. This is 5 straight against itong kupunan ng FEU. And Maraguinot continues to serve. Eliza Valdez still holding on to that right hand. Service ace for Maraguinot.
FEU was off to such a good start, but Ateneo did an excellent job shifting the momentum sa kanilang side.
And Coach Shaq is very upset. Timeout FEU.
Kailangan lang tayo focus lang tayo, focus. Wala ka ganyan yung service, hindi ka na-practice yan. Oo, ganun din yan. straight, ang kadayagonal mo, number 18. Wala ka sa posisyon.
Ay, sa Yeah.
Huwag natin pakinggan sa labas.
Tandaan niya, ha? Ang laro natin, ilalaban natin yung lakas natin. Hindi yung malakas ng graduate yun. O kasi dito tayo tumingin sa team natin, ha? Huwag tayo tumingin sa labas.
Mag-discipline na tayo. Kasi pangalaman pa niya ito iba. Basta wag lang mo nagigilid. Hayaan mo na muna ako sa gitna bago umalaw. Tara! Tama na!
I love the vocal leadership of Remy Palma ngayon. Parang ibang-iba when she started out dito. Well, folks, sundan ng all-out ang kulitan nila. Liza, Mika, Rachel, Ara, Jaja, Dindin, Jan, Vic, Peter, and the rest of the Valley friends sa ating Viber public chat. Just go to the public chats tab sa inyong mga Viber app and search for Valley Friends. At sundan nyo na sila. So, sigurado good vibes yan when you catch their ultra fun kulitan. So, the serve now belongs to Ateneo pa rin. Kasunod, buti na lang nandun si Pons. Here's Tan, Ahomiro, Atienza keeps it alive. Negrito cross. Pero buhay pa rin ang ating bola. Here's Valdez. Back up by Gonzaga. Negrito inangat. Pons, drop shot. Giselle Tan is there. Long rally. Valdez.
Oh, that one is out. But there is a net.
Oy. Number 7. Nasugod.
Oo, ang Lady Tamaraos parang iniisip na yun, nothing is going right.
Coach Shaq, again not agreeing with the call. Eliza Valdez continues to shake that right hand.
Oo, at nakita natin yung huling palo na yun na lumabas. So,
Oo.
she must be feeling something talaga sa kanyang right hand.
Maraginot, paganda na paganda ang kanyang serve. They send it to Pons. Pons denied there by Ahomiro. One more time around for Pons. Coverage is there. Combination play, Valdez! This is 8 unanswered points now for Ateneo. And Tony Rose Basas checks in for the first time. Eliza still holding that right hand pero umuopensa pa rin siya.
Oo, parang wala lang.
Oh.
Again, nararamdaman mo yan pagkatapos mo gumawa ng
Ng hit.
oo.
Maraginot finally runs out of bullets. 13-8. And that snaps a cold streak para sa FEU. They were up 7-5.
But Ateneo just really solid and very focused.
Right. Because as the official ball of the Shakey's V-League, here's Kyle Negrito up to serve. Good one. Aquiliana could not return it. So 13-9. Ateneo pa rin na may kalamangan. Kyle Negrito, first set pala tayo, pakiramdam mo, fifth set na.
Oo.
No?
Ganun katindi at ganun ka-intense ang umpisa ng larong ito.
Nice defense at the net by Tony Rose Basas.
Coach Tai giving instructions para dito kay Tan.
Well, dyan sila dehado actually sa height ni Tan.
And height ni
pagdating sa net.
Negrito. Oo,
Yeah.
tama. Because normally nga, that's why coaches nowadays, they also look for setters that are a bit tall because they block yung outside hitter.
Tignan mo naman UST kung sino setter nito.
Diba?
Si
Oo.
Tiope is about 6 feet tall already. Valdez gets that one across. Negrito. Wala sa pwesto si Basas. De Jesus is there. Tan leaves it for Ahomiro and that's a net violation against Giselle Tan.
Right now, the problem of Ateneo nagmumula sa kanilang first
Reception.
ball,
Yeah.
Kaya itong si Tan nahihirapan din mag-set.
Maliksi na yan sa lagay na yan. Ha?
And you see her her direction is towards the net dahil hinahabol din niya yung bola.
Kyle Negrito once again. Serving well so far. FEU on the rally. Another nice one. Valdez. Over the defense. Kasugod keeps it alive. Initcha papunta kay Basas. Aquiliana. Tan. Back to Eliza. Dug up by Atienza. Lifted up now for Gonzaga. Off the net. Still played by Tan. Valdez. Negrito. Gonzaga.
Gonzaga using her experience against Valdez. At nakita niya walang tao.
That was beach volleyball kontra beach volleyball.
Oo eh, tinan mo. Kita niya walang tao sa tabi ni Valdez.
And a quick timeout now by Ateneo. FEU has now scored 5 straight. So there's the Division of Labor. Coach Tai saying everybody have fun, stay happy. And of course, Coach Parley naman, ito nga ayusin nyo in terms of your alignment. There's the FEU crowd, there's the Ateneo crowd. Wow, this place is rocking on a Saturday afternoon. Glad to have you with us, Noel Zarate. Kasama po si Andre Mulyacanda at si Crystal Bachelor. Negrito with the serve. Maraguinot with the reception. Combination play for Valdez. Denied at the net. No, the net denied. Eliza. 6 straight points for FEU. We are tied at 13, Ann.
That's right. This is one of the few times you'll see Ateneo also have this very much errors, ano, na sunod-sunod eh. Or yung hirap sila.
Tinadaan sila sa energy ngayon. Itong kupunan ng FEU. Negrito.
Too much energy.
Yep.
On that serve.
But FEU has gotten back. So 14-13. Amy Ahumiro back to serve. Here's Negrito. Kasugod with the power shot.
And you see Negrito now really making her attackers move to make their plays less predictable. Alam niyang matatangkad ang katapat nila eh.
Right. And now, Jen Kasugod back to serve. Young lady out of Bacolod. Maraguinot. Tan. Valdez! Wala namang injury yata to si Eliza.
Wala naman. She was just trying to shake it off kanina. Wala lang yun.
Take a look at that. An ultra fast spike brought to us by PLDT Home Volterra, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. And now serving, Tan. Negrito, akala niya tatawid. Ateneo takes a 2-point lead into our second technical timeout. Dikita po tayo dito sa ating first set. Magbabalik po kami. Check out our GMA Public Affairs social media sites on Facebook and on Instagram as we rejoin the action mula po rito sa San Juan Arena. Coming to you live over GMA News TV. Noel Zarate kasama si Andre Mulyacanda at si Crystal Bachelor. That's a service error against Giselle Tan. Yan po ang ating score. Labang po Ateneo pero 1 puntos lamang. Earlier, FEU led by 2, then Ateneo led by 7, and then FEU came back to tie it up. Ano ba itong laban natin to?
Di kita. Ganyan ka-exciting, di ba?
And now De Leon, dug up there by Atienza. And Atienza is the one who gets it across. Tan, Valdez, read by Negrito. Gonzaga, nice block by Hegeliana, but a great save by Gonzaga. Tubino, naitsa palabas.
Si Tubino, pahiga eh, no? Paatras yung bola.
Right. This is an intense first set. Alam niyo na kung sino si serve. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. Negrito, pumihit pa, but Gonzaga will miss.
Itong FEU, they need to reorganize themselves. Ano? Bumilis lang ang galaw ng Ateneo. Sa ngayon, nararattle sila.
Tandaan po natin that FEU is actually the defending champion of this conference. When Jovelyn Gonzaga was still with the team and Rachel Andakis became their guest players last year. Here's Negrito. Lifted up, Gonzaga. Iniwan para kay Bea De Leon.
Excellent set.
Ateneo trying to pull away again. Timeout FEU as we take a look at this one again. that's just a great setup. No chance for the defense ng FEU na makahabol doon. This is the coach check.
Dalawa lang yun, sir, natapat. Pero pag tatlo, ikaw mo natapat. Paano nyo na agad? Tao-tao muna tayo. Pag may back quick, may 5, tapos tao-tao lang tayo. Okay? O ngayon, receive tayo maganda, atake tayo maganda. Yung receive natin kasi, masyado natin pinibilisan. Kaya nahirapan yung center. Nauna takli spiker natin, oh. Ah, sayang eh. Kailangan itaas ko lang maganda. Okay?
One good receive lang! One good receive! Tama na!
Andyan. Ano?
They are still very determined. Ako, si Royce Tubino, nakadikit na yung kilay.
Oo, she means business and she's really unhappy, dahil napakaganda ng rally, nagtapos
Right.
sa kanyang error.
And she's still in front. Valdez serving again. Gonzaga. Negrito. Bigay kagad kay Royce. But that is sent back by El Jesus. Maraginot. Atienza has been doing a great job. Negrito now for Gonzaga. Snuffed out there by De Leon. Back set ngayon. Tubino. Nakabawi na si Royce. Tumba si Bea De Leon.
Alam mo yung isa pang di natin nababanggit, itong si Ella De Jesus has also been doing an
Yes.
excellent job as the libero for Ateneo.
Look at the power behind that shot. Ni Halong galit na.
Oo,
Yung
talagang,
tirang, former NCAA MVP.
Talagang bumawi.
Right. Well, here's the former league MVP, Jovelyn Gonzaga, on the serve. Maraginot gets the line. Ateneo now up by 4, 2016, set number 1. And now Bea De Leon back to serve. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Gonzaga nahirapan. Coach Tai doing his jogging and forward and backwards.
Tama. Magandang panoorin din yun.
Right. Double sub ngayon para sa kupunan ng FEU. Cayuna and Malabanan see their first action. So Angelica Cayuma and Jerry Malabanan in at the same time. Having more height ang presence dito ni Malabanan, who has also lost a considerable amount of weight.
Oo. Actually, ang dami sa kanila nagiging tone din.
Right.
Talagang
They're really getting to game shape. Habol si Cayuma. Here's Stan. Ahomiro.
ang problema ng FEU hindi yung kanilang opensa. How to keep the ball alive. Kailangan nilang basahin ang balik ng Ateneo.
Giselle Tan has just been hitting all of her targets at the net so far. Kanina si De Leon, ngayon si Ahomiro. And now De Leon serves it wide. So 22-17. Captain Palma now to serve for the Lady Tamaraws. Oh! Didn't expect that.
Not a good time to commit a service error. Ang naging maganda rin sa Ateneo, no, mapapansin natin, lahat ng serve nila may karga. Very difficult to receive.
Oh, especially this young lady, Kim Hek Iliana. Now she has a cannon for an arm, so tingnan natin what her serve can do. Ateneo needing only 2 points para makuha itong ating first set. Atienza, Cayuma, Jan Casugod. Back up there by Maraginot. Quick na naman, papunta kay Ahomiro. Cayuma launches it, papunta kay Tubino. Valdez is there. Tan, Maraginot. Nice block by Malabanan. Ateneo one more time around. Eliza gives it up. Cayuma. Canino. And looking for a double touch itong si Coach Tai. Valdez into the net.
A lucky one for FEU, ano?
Another sub. Serve specialist coming up para sa FEU. Carlota Hernandez sees her first action.
Sa ngayon, ang kailangan ng FEU, matibay na depensa.
Hernandez, the freshman. She just turned 16.
Very young.
Turned 16 last April. So the freshman with a lot of pressure on her shoulders ngayon. Para maganda dapat yung kanyang serve. And it is. Tan. Maraginot kept alive by Malabanan. Cayuma. Basas. That wrong foot's Ella De Jesus. Great cross-court spike.
Oo. At ito si Basis, pinag-uusapan namin palagi ni Sev, ano, pag cover namin siya. Hindi mo mapapansin, ang dami na pala niyang puntos, but she's a very steady outside hitter.
Wow, Hernandez loading up on her serve on that one. Maragino, and the block goes out from Malabanan. 5 set points now for Ateneo. And Joanna Maragino serving for the set. Good serve. Tayuma, Malabanan, wala sa pwesto, almost scores though. Here's Eliza, and gets it off the hands of Malabanan, as only Eliza Valdez can do. Amazing showing by Eliza Valdez, but Ateneo dodged the bullet. Ang ganda ng habol ng FEU. They tied it up, but Ateneo just put on the pressure sa dulo to come away with set number 1. Here's our shake in play. Pataasan ng volleyball IQ laban.
Tama.
Eliza Valdez. Eliza Valdez getting it done. Ateneo wins set number 1. Set number 2 sa aming pong pagbabalik. FEU will not be happy with committing 5 more errors than Ateneo kasi yan ang naging sanhin ng pagkatalo nila sa ating first set.
Tama, because if you look at the different skill departments, makikita natin, halos nasabayan naman nilang Ateneo. It's just really the errors that has really haunted them in that first set.
The block 2-0, starring Amy Ahomiro actually is para sa kupunan ng Ateneo. So take a look at some of the highlights there in the first set. There's Amy Ahomiro with her kalmut shot. And of course, Eliza Valdez just using her kokote in this last play.
And kita naman natin, talagang ang volleyball IQ, very evident and obvious para dito kay Valdez.
But we must commend FEU. Magandang ginawa nilang paghapon lang. Coach Shaq has to find out anong ginawa nyo in that stretch when you were down 13-7 para makatabla.
Tama. At yun ang dapat nilang ulitin coming into the second set. They started the first set very, very strong. At in fact, naunahan pa nga nila ang Ateneo.
Right. Ateneo actually picked up their first lead in the first set sa first technical timeout na. Pons. Nice dive by Eliza, and that is saved by De Jesus. Negrito. Gonzaga.
Anong nangyari sa bola na yun? Ang bilis. That was very quick.
And Jovelyn Gonzaga, of course, is a winner. Habang nandyan siya, walang pepetics dito. Lalaban tayo.
At kaya naman siya ang top scorer ng FEU for the first set. Followed by Negrito and Tobino, both with 2.
Here's Stan trying to attack. Oh, nice rest back galing kay Ahomiro. That's where the basketball training pays off.
That's right. At ang maganda doon kasi yung play na yun, sinundan pa rin niya. It was supposed to be a back set, pero ayun, naabot pa rin.
Sa basketball, ang ginawa doon ni Amy Ahomiro, tip in.
Oh, ganda nun. She was at the right place at the right time.
And Ahomiro now with the serve. Tied at 1. Negrito. Pons has been quiet today. Tan. Eliza has been anything but quiet. Oh, that's normal for Eliza.
Yes, and already on her 7th point for this match.
Ultra fast, ultra fast spike pa yan. Atid sa atin ng PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Mukhang cross court no?
Yung angulo na dinaanan ng bola, pero down the line.
Down the line yung tira. And a little bit of a meeting between our 2 referees. Of course, our first referee, Jess Villarreal. Second referee, Philip Season, will now visit the FEU bench. I'm not quite sure what that was about. Pero si Coach Shaq has been very vocal about the officiating today.
Oo. Talagang nagre-reklamo at nagsasabi siya sa ating mga officials.
Oh, too low for De Leon. Tobino sending it up to Pons. Yes! Finally some noise from Bernadette Pons. And that's quite surprising also as we take a look at our leading scorers dito that Bernadette Pons is not in the top 10 in the league.
Oo. And normally makikita mo one of the highest scorers.
At least in the top 5, di ba? He's number 11 in scoring. Yan ang maganda set para kay De Leon. Lamang na po ang Ateneo. And new libero para dito sa kupunan ng FEU. Seeing her first action, ito si Rhea Duremdes. As we take our friends at Shakey's, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Duremdes gives chase. And that's given up by Palma. Tan, kabila, Valdez, dalawa nakabang, lalusutan pa rin.
FEU has to have a better coverage, ano? Kung itong si Valdez ang umaatake.
May coverage sa likod ng dalawang blocker, pero how do you stop a
Look at
coverage?
that.
Oh. Diba?
Mas mahirap pick upin ng bola kapag nag-change ang direction
Yes.
from a block.
4-2 Ateneo. Set number 2, Gonzaga. Oh, great save by Duremdes. Tubino. De Jesus. Hekiliana, yes!
At this point, everything just going right for Ateneo. Itong FEU, they need to get back that energy. Yung nakita natin sa kanila nung first set na talagang masaya sila at nakatawa habang naglalaro.
Or create a new kind of energy.
Oo.
Ateneo is just out-energizing them. Pons. De Jesus, galing likod, Maraginot. Negrito gets the first ball, which means Duremdes has to set to Gonzaga. Tan, on the back set to Valdez. Kept the line pa rin by Tubino. Pons, changing directions. Long rally. De Jesus. Valdez galing likod. Daga pa rin by Tubino. Gonzaga lifts it up. Too near the net. De Leon cannot convert. Negrito, back set. Gonzaga! At pagod na pagod lahat.
Ang haba naman ng rallying yun. Pati si Jov napaupo.
Take a look at this one more time. Gonzaga just evading Eliza that time. Sabi ni Jones, puti na lang. Tapos na. And she's still breathing heavily. Pero Ateneo pa rin po may kalamangan dito. 5-3. Pons. Tan, iniwan. Valdez with a power tip.
Kailangan makasabay ng FEU sa Ateneo. And that moment na umikot si Eliza sa likod,
Yeah.
they should take advantage of that. I think the difficulty here for FEU is getting a good pass dahil malakas din ang serve ni Eliza.
Bakit may 6-5 pa naman si Eliza? Diba?
Totoo rin yan.
That one goes out from Gonzaga. So 7-3 Ateneo. So no place is safe actually. Valdez can just shoot from the back.
No place is safe, but it's better that she's at the back.
Right. Duremdes. Gonzaga sending it to Tubino against one blocker. Saved there by Tan. Tubino cannot convert. Net violation. Nagkatumba-tumba ng depensa ng Ateneo. Boy, Royce Tubino has to pick up the pieces. Ateneo is now up by 5. Magbabalik po kami. Ang ating pong international schedules right here on GMA News TV, available on www.gmanetwork.com/international/program guide. Let's hear it now from Crystal Bachelor.
Both teams kept it simple in the last time out. Coach Shaq led the FEU huddle and told the girls that they need good receives and attacks for this set. Meanwhile, the Ateneo Lady Eagles, as per tradition, meditated and prayed as they sat on the bench. Coach Tai also did not forget to remind the girls to keep their happy demeanor throughout this match. Back to you guys.
They're gonna have to be a little bit more happy with the way they're playing so far. Pero Jovelyn Gonzaga, nalusutan naman. And this is where the veterans need to step up para sa FEU. No? Tubino has been committing a lot more errors than normal. At si Gonzaga, trying to carry the load naman.
But yun nga, naging kulang ngayon yung balanse. Especially now in this rotation where FEU only has 2 attackers.
And they cannot even get that one across. 9-4 Ateneo.
Ang isa pang kailangan tanggalin ng FEU sa kanilang body language. No? Makikita mo yung pressure din. You can see it. At mahirap din nga naman because they're down 5 points.
Well, still in the early goings naman dito sa ating second set. That is a serve that goes out from De Leon. So 9-5. Ateneo's lead down to 4. Remy Palma up to serve. PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. With speeds of up to 10 Mbps monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Good one from Palma. There's Eliza from the back. Negrito, free ball from Gonzaga. Tan, sa kabila. Hekiliana, off the block. Became Hekiliana getting a lot of minutes today. And now she is serving. Ateneo 10, FEU 5. Pons, Negrito, galing likod, Gonzaga, malakas.
At kita na rin, Negrito really desperate for points. Talagang kay Gonzaga na yung first option.
Pero 6 na ang kalamangan ng Ateneo. FEU can't get anything done here. Timeout, Coach Shaq.
Bigay ka dito, tapos dulo ka. Kasi ba ito yung yan ng bakit? Alam mo lang muna sa job. Job, sige lang, okay lang yan. Bakit tayo ha? Isip muna tayo maganda. Yung siniset mo, huwag mo lang basta ibato. Walang control eh. Bato lang tayo ng bato. Kung saan napupunta, okay? Pabawian mo lang, ha? Isip tayo maganda, kaya tayo play na ayos, ha? Good. Ikaw mo lang.
Coach Shaq trying to be very positive.
Oh, in fact, actually very patient itong si Coach Shaq. Very...
And they're also trying to be patient.
Oh.
Itong crowd ng FEU. 6 na puntos ang abante rito ng Ateneo. Tandaan po natin, both teams have not lost in the quarterfinals. Itong kupunan ng FEU have defeated St. Benilde in straight sets and Las Aldas Marinas also in straight sets. Ito namang Ateneo has dropped 1 set so far. That was against UP when they won against UP and the straight sets win against Arellano. Samantala ngayon, Valdez out of nowhere. Negrito keeps it up. Tubino. De Jesus is there. Tan. Maraginot. Kasugot gets to it. Negrito. That's a great save there from Tan. Valdez changing direction. Save there by Atienza. Tan. Humiro. Relentless.
At saka etong si Tan, really made that play very fast habang hindi pa nakakapag-ayos at nakakapag-organize ng depensa ang FEU.
That's an ultra-fast spike brought to us at PLDT Home Volterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Humiro sticking out the tongue like Michael Jordan. 12-5. Negrito, Kasugot, trying a cut shot. Too near the net.
This is such a huge lead already by Ateneo, and FEU needs to put a stop to it immediately.
Yun na nga throw nothing special na ginagawa ng Ateneo. It's really errors.
Pumapalo. It's just that nothing is going right on the side of FEU.
And Ateneo is actually giving a few points here and there sa kanilang mga service errors.
Pero hindi pa rin nagta-take advantage itong FEU.
I don't know if Coach Shaq is gonna shake up this lineup right now. Royce Tubino, the former perpetual NCAA MVP, because as the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Valdez launches into the net. So that is back-to-back points, which is rare para sa FEU na mag-back-to-back points sila.
At sa ngayon, isang rotation na lang din ng FEU at babalik na si Gonzaga sa frontline.
Nga lang, isang pa rotation sa Ateneo, babalik na si Eliza sa
Tama,
frontline.
yun ang magandang tapatan.
Gonzaga, Negrito, Tubino into the net, and the bad day of Royce continues.
And it's difficult enough na down sila, no? Yung energy na lang tsaka at least man lang mapapakita mo sa Ateneo na hindi ka threatened.
Well,
but it's hard. It's easy to say, but it's hard to do given the lead of Ateneo.
Ateneo now lapsing into some service errors. Another one there coming from Maraginot. So Kyle Negrito up to serve. She served well during the rally in the first set. So let's see kung kargado pa rin ang kanyang serve dito. Pretty good. Tan, Humiro. And those quick fast sets coming from Giselle Tan have really made the difference.
At ang ganda ng kanilang timing, no, ni Humiro.
Pons will sit down. Ginoo comes in. This is an experiment now para kay Coach Shaq. Pons has been very quiet sa laban na ito.
Haven't really heard much from her. Actually, this game of FEU has mostly been Gonzaga.
And another service error from Ateneo. So 15-9, napapangiti na lang si Coach Parley, nagbibilang siya ng service error.
Oo nga eh. Sa ngayon, ang kailangan gamitin ng FEU, bukod sa makorekt ang kanilang mga errors, yung kanilang center spikers.
But they cannot even get it done on the confidence side as they are now down by 7. We'll be right back. Updates available on GMA International on the following Facebook pages as we check out now our Shakey's Face of the Day. Yan po siya, 20-year-old Valenzuela last, Bianca Jordan or Bianca Jordan. We had a box of pizza na hindi abot ng Valenzuela.
Sana nga umabot dito sa atin eh.
Mas mahirap yon pagka
sana dumaan dito.
langhap pa lang natin, ubus na yan. Gonzaga scores. So let's see if FEU can turn it around after that technical timeout. Sunod-sunod ang kanilang errors. And you're right, Gonzaga has been the lone bright spot para sa kanila.
They need to start with a good reception or a good dig at the very least nang makapag-set up din itong si Negrito and try to distribute their plays.
Right.
Dahil sa ngayon, alam na ng Ateneo na kay Gonzaga ang pag-set ng bola.
That was set over by Ella De Jesus. Tubino off the block. Tan, back set. Heck, Iliana. Hindi nakahabol ang depensa ng FEU. Boy, Giselle Tan has been orchestrating beautifully para sa Ateneo.
Definitely making her attackers look good.
Yeah.
Oo.
Making the team look good. They're up by 7. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Valdez, impossible to get to that one. Biggest lead now by Ateneo, 8 points, 18-10. And FEU will call their last time out of this set.
Simula na yung maganda. Sige, taga lang. Ngayon, wala na tayong pinapansin sa loob. Wala, kanya-kanya na tayo. Kasi makapatay tayo isa. Pero wala pa rin, walang dating. Dapat meron. Kailangan meron pang buhay sa team natin. Kasi kailangan na pa rin natin. Ano ba, sige, 18. Kailangan patay na tayo, wala na. Hindi nyo. Kasi hindi nyo mapipil yung ginagawa nyo kung tama o mali. Kung nakaganyan lang kayo at puro mali na may isip nyo yan. Ha?
Well, folks, sundan ang all-out kulitan nila Valdez, Reyes, Dakis, Galang, Santiago, Manabat, De Guzman at Torres, and the rest of the Volley friends sa ating Viber Volley Chat. Just go to the public chat tab sa inyong Viber app and search and follow Volley Friends. Ayan, siguradong good vibes when you catch their ultra fun kulitan.
Pinalo na nga ni Noel eh.
Yun na nga.
Oo.
Uy! Bea De Leon gets that through. Sino kaya pinakamakulit dun? Tingin ko si John Vic De Guzman.
Pwede.
Pwede, no?
Pwede.
So 19-10 ang ating score. Eliza Valdez. Hindi po plastic balloon yung inihipan niya. 19-10.
Oh!
Pati si Eliza nahawa na.
Nagkaroon
Service
ng
error.
service error.
So, itong Ateneo still up by 8. Jovelyn Gonzaga now to serve. Former MVP. Former captain of the national team. Maraginot. Gonzaga. Heather Ginoo. Free ball from Royce Tubino. Tan. Ekiliana. Good coverage once again by Gonzaga. Tubino. Read well there by Maraginot. Valdez. Galing likod. Kept alive again by Gonzaga. Tubino. Soft shot. Tan. Maraginot.
Oh, that was too strong.
Lead is down to 7 from a high of 9. Tama naman si Coach Shaq. Hindi pa naman tapos yan. 25 dapat yan tatapos.
At they just need to work on it. Tingnan natin, 1 point at a time. At sa ngayon, nagkaka-error na rin ang Ateneo. Kaya it opens a window for FEU.
Gonzaga throws it to De Jesus. Tan leaves it for Valdez. Wow! Better save, however, from Durendes. Tan, Maragino, Durendes again. Gonzaga, De Jesus, the liberos are doing very well. Hekiliana, Tubino, and a net violation against Palma. Anticlimactic end to that long rally.
Ito yung mga nasasayang na puntos. But Durentes did very, very well in that rally. A good dig and a good save from her.
That's another freshman right there. Si Durentes just turned 17. Here's De Leon. Running attempt here. Great block by Hequiliana.
Kailangan bilisan pa ng FE yung kanilang mga plays kasi talagang nababasa ng blockers ng Ateneo.
Dinig natin talaga si Coach Tai. Pag-receive pa lang, sinabi niya, running. Yung nga ginawa doon. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
But again, ito, sinabi na natin kanina, Giselle Tan doing an excellent job in really making her teammates look good, and that's why she's ranked #1 in terms of best setters.
I wouldn't be surprised. Palitan ng tao. Basas returns for Gonzaga.
Konting pahinga. Gonzaga deserves a breather after really carrying a lot of load the past 2 sets.
So the 2 leading scorers of FEU are on the bench, Gonzaga and Pons. De Leon. Basas on the reception. Tubino. They go to Hequiliana. Ang bilis talaga ng bola nito. Tubino. Free ball. Tan. Combination. Maraguinot adjusting but missing. 22-13. Jerry Malabanan also comes in. Pabata na line ng FEU.
At unti-unting pinapalitan ni Coach Shaq talaga.
Of course, Malabanan is a Phil-Am. Seeing her first regular action for FEU. Nice serve by Palma. Tubino cannot convert. Maraguinot can. That's not the Royce Tubino I know.
Definitely not her day today.
Tubino, bigyan mo ng regalo, mababali braso mo.
At kita mo talagang tuldok yung bola eh.
23-13, Ateneo up by 10. Hequiliana once again. Negrito and fooling Maraguinot into that point. 23-14. Royce Tubino. Can she improve on her bad day? Here's Tan. Maraguinot. Kept alive, Atienza. Negrito across. De Jesus. Tan. Ahomiro.
Itong si Ahomiro talagang hindi mahuli.
Ang bilis ng mga
bilis.
set.
And you'll see also kasi inaabot lang ni Tan yung bola eh.
Right.
Hirap pasahin.
Well, trying to serve it out ngayon. Another freshman para sa Ateneo. Pam Dungo. Serving for the set. Dungo, of course, wearing the iconic number 13 of Denden Lazaro. Heather Ginoo. Blocked by Ahomiro. Negrito sends it up. Ginoo tries to drop it in. Tan. Eliza. Ginoo. Dug up by De Jesus. Free ball from Valdez. Malabanan nagulat. Valdez. Long rally. Negrito cannot save it. After all of that, Ateneo takes set number 2 by 11 points. 25-14. Kaya pa kaya ito ng FEU? Can they still stay undefeated? As we take a look at our shaky, shake and play. Eliza, may power pero yun na nga, masama lang talaga ang paghabol doon ng FEU. Third set when we return. Stay with us right here on GMA News TV. The good news for FEU is nabawasan lang kanilang errors.
The
bad
bad
news
news
for
is-
FEU is ginulpi sila ng Ateneo sa atake.
Tama. Looking at the numbers here, tinan mo naman, at Ateneo with 15 attack points, FEU only able to produce 6. And the story is pretty much the same throughout the different skill departments. Pero yun nga, nahirapan silang mabuhay ang bola, kaya hindi sila makapagbalik ng atake.
Well, FEU trying a different lineup naman sa pagpasok natin ng ating third set as we take a look at some of the plays na ginawa ng Ateneo. Everybody already getting involved. And again, we were talking about it during the break. Itong si Giselle Tan has really gotten everyone the ball.
Tama yan. And also want to credit yung mga non-scoring skills kasi dyan, mga depensa at reception.
Ella
no?
De
Ella De
Jesus,
Jesus
yes.
also has done an excellent job in keeping their defense strong. Talagang yung buong area sa likod na cover nila.
Well, itong kupunan ng Ateneo needing only one more set to stay undefeated. Can they get it done? FEU, as we mentioned, parading a new lineup, but the service errors continue here for the Lady Eagles.
But in the first set, yun yung isa sa maganda nilang nagawa. Kargado at consistent ang kanilang serve. But second set, and as they start the third, tama ka, it is looking like a problem.
No Gonzaga, no Tubino on the floor para sa FEU. This is their UAP lineup that they're using right now. Here's Stan. Valdez, dug up, Negrito, leaves it for Ginoo, who comes up short.
Well, itong si Ginoo had the right thing in mind kung pumasok yung bola, no? Dahil wala talagang tao, but it didn't.
Yeah, came up short. So, Amy Ahomiro ngayon to serve. Kiwi, tinatanong kay Coach Tay. Lahat sila tumitingin kay Coach Tay. What serve do you like? That's a good one. So, Ahomiro has been doing almost everything already para sa Ateneo.
Right now, the second set, Ahomiro actually scored 4 points in the second set.
Lipat naman sa kabila. Aray. De Leon is dizzy. De Leon needs an ice pack at the back of her head.
Sanay na yung mga yan. Wala na yan.
Seeing
Oo.
stars eh. 2-all.
Yun lang ang lalakas kasi na serve nila.
Right. Yan, sobra.
Yun, isa pang malakas. Si Palma kanina nag-error din yan ng kanyang serve.
So Palma gives Ateneo the lead once again, 3-2.
Nagkakahawaan itong
Yun na nga eh.
parehong teams na to sa mga errors.
PLDT Home Altera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps, monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Hekiliana misses. Check ball. Basas will not confirm or deny the check
Merong
ball.
check.
There's Stan on the serve once again. Negrito, iniwan para kay Malabanan. De Jesus, Hekiliana. Negrito, back set ngayon. Basas! Pag na-develop pa nila further itong si Basas with the length and the height now that FEU has, they can be a contender. Or she is the younger sister of Maritoni Basas.
Former Lady Tamaraw.
And now Heather Ginoo. Nice serve. Hekiliana. Dug up there by Ginoo. Too near the net. At munti ka na magkasahuran doon ito si Basas at saka si Negrito.
Delikado yung mga ganyan.
Yeah.
Takaw sa injury galing pa sa talon.
O ito, pataasan daw ng talon.
Palakasan din ng sigaw.
Yeah. Eliza. Here's Negrito going over to Pons. And if Pons can be a factor in the third set, FEU just might be able to steal one.
And nabanggit nga natin, she's been quiet.
Oh. Pero meron ngayon siyang ultra-fast spike brought to us at PLDT Home Altera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. 5-4 Ateneo. Basas. Too strong.
These service errors.
Dami na para sa magkabilang kupunan, not just FEU.
At hindi na rin natutuwa ang ating mga coaches sa dami.
Is Bea De Leon okay already? Baka nahihilo pa rin siya.
May stars pa rin.
Medyo nahihilo pa, no?
Sumobra.
Oh, masakit pa daw ulo niya hanggang ngayon. Nuturo niya pa rin kay Ahumiro, my head is painful because of you.
Di bali sana kung mahina yung serve.
Oo. Ilang beses na rin nangyari sa'yo, nakaabang ka na.
Pero
diba?
I mean, it really happens.
Yeah.
Nandun ka sa net, tapos yung teammate mo
Bigla lang-
magsaserve sa net.
Oo. Ahumiro again.
Sabi ng coach, tumarget ka. Na-target yung ulo.
Yun na nga eh. So De Leon will take some smelling salts for now, but Ahumiro continues to do well. Ang ganda ng kombinasyon talaga nila ni Giselle Tan.
Yung abot ng bola and the
Right.
timing is just really perfect.
Ateneo up by 2. Pons. That is going to touch the line. Ahumiro is investigating the spot where it should have landed. Ahumiro will be warned by the referees.
He's just checking.
Ano to, tennis?
Baka kasi may pawis. Minsan nangyayari yun pag may pawis yung bola, you'll see it on the floor.
De Jesus. Maraginot off the block. Hindi na maabutan niya ni Pons. Ateneo 8, FEU 6. First technical time out of the third set. We'll be right back. Abangan po bukas at 12:45 p.m. live labanan ng dalawang kupunan na nasa loob na ng ating semifinals, NU versus UST, as we take a look at some of the other players ng Ateneo not seeing action in this one. And let's send it now to Crystal Bachelor.
FEU's guest player Jovelyn Gonzaga gave her teammates a pep talk. Sabi niya, they need to play as if they are on their peak of level of play. The coaching staff echoed her, saying this is a scenario they usually encounter and they still have faith that they can overcome this. Meanwhile, over at Ateneo, Amy Ahumiro is very pumped up, even commending her teammates for their outing so far. The girls were also relaxed and got their energy up by dancing in the huddle. Back to you guys.
Hilig nilang gawin yan. Nakita niyo na ba yung men's team? Ateneo.
Ganun din.
Yung libero nila, starter.
Ganon.
Oo, si Manuel Sumangkin. They call him Sumang. Yun ang starter. 9-6 ang ating score. Ateneo, of course, all over FEU right now. Pero hindi pa ito tapos. Earlier, we did show some of the Lady Eagles not suiting up. Gia Morado is there. Mitch Morente. Marge Tejada also in attendance dito. As Heather Ginoo tries to score for FEU. That is brought across. At pati yung swerte nasa panig na ng Ateneo.
At kaya naman, talagang magse-celebrate sila for these points, ano?
And that just beat Eliza Valdez's swerte kanina.
Oo.
Yung swerte doon ni Giselle Tan.
Matindi itong frontline na to para sa Ateneo, Valdez at Ahumiro.
Kaya lang may kasama silang Tan.
Pero they can very well compensate. I'm thinking, pagdating sa blocking.
Well, another service ace, this time by Maraginot. And a timeout for FEU.
Babata, resin, nakaganon tayo. Na-practice natin. Bakit ngayon naiiba? Diba? May na-practice kayo na na-receive nyo na maganda. Huwag natin, receive muna tayo. Hindi tayo makakatayo pag wala tayo receive. Okay? Tandaan nyo, naagay na yung service. Kung kailangan, may-stop natin. Kaso lang. Go! Tama na receive lang.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, sundan po ang all-out kulitan. Dumadami na sila sa ating mga Valley friends. Nandiyan si Eliza, nandiyan si Mika Reyes, nandiyan si Rachel, Aragalang, Jaja Indindin, si John Vic de Guzman, Peter Torres, and the rest of the Valley friends sa ating Viber public chat. Just go to the public chat tab sa inyong Viber app and search and follow Valley Friends. Sigurado good vibes when you catch their ultra fun kulitan. Sa mga babae, sino kaya pinakamakulit?
Naku.
Rachel, wala ka nang iisipin doon. Rachel ka agad yan.
Actually,
Automatic.
makukulit yung mga yan.
Wow. Maraginot sends Coach Ty running backwards after that one. Parang nagulat pa si Maraginot. Ako nagawa ko yan. Ultra fast spike pa. Hatid sa atin ang PLDT Homaltera, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. And Maraginot said, I don't know what came over me.
Whatever it is, it's good.
Yeah.
And yung kanilang second set momentum, talagang nadala nila ngayong third set and it's been consistent.
Ginoo will miss again. Ateneo now up by 7. Of course, itong kupunan ng Ateneo still have one more assignment in their schedule. That is, of course, against the National University. That will be interesting.
Oo.
That is played even if it looked like it was going out. Palma. De Jesus. Tan. Valdez. Denied there by Ginoo. Valdez. Negrito. Ginoo. Turned back by Ahumiro. And a double touch on Basas.
Ito yung mga nasasayang na puntos from FEU dahil hindi rin sila nag-iingat masyado eh.
So 14-6, naipit na sa 6 points. And every now and then we'll show you the daily routine of Coach Tai sa kanyang workout. Sa pagtakbo-takbo sa sideline. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. So this actually will let you burn some calories ang ginagawa rito ni Coach Tai.
May sigaw pa
Right.
kasama.
Oo. Valdez, ayan, takbo na Coach Tai. Ayan na. Valdez scores again. Setting change. Negrito will sit. And Cayuma will see her first action, the freshman. So Angelica Cayuma now has to carry the load. 9-point lead for Ateneo. Maraginot, kahapon pa nagsaserve. Cayuma. Palma, denied by Valdez.
Sabi ni Valdez, nandito kasi ako.
Coach Tai will take a break from his workout to coach the team. Ateneo up by 10. Get Shakey's V-League updates on GMA International on the following Twitter and Instagram accounts. At ito na ang ating Ultra Fun Family of the Day. The Hernandez family. Tontuwa sila, oh. We have Jose, Irish, Philip, and Gabby taking in the action po dito sa San Juan Arena. Yan po ang ating Ultra Fun Family of the Day. And Ultra Fun is also what we're doing right now, covering this match. Noel Zarate, kasama si Andre Mulyakanda. At si Cristel Bachelor for all you live audiences there on our live stream. At eto na rin sa GMA News TV. Samantala, another error as Genevieve Casugod checks in for the first time in this set. Kasama na si Jovelyn Gonzaga. At sa loob siguro ni Coach Chuck, nakakayanan ito nangyayari sa atin. Lumaban naman tayo.
At kailangan maidikit nila ang kanilang score. It's not gonna be easy, pero they have to do something about it now.
Well, they can. Because as the official ball of the Shakey's V-League, Joanna Maraginot has just been crowned the Princess of Serve by Amy Ahumiro. Tignan natin if she'll do it again, ha?
FEU needs to lighten up, masyadong tense din ang kanilang galaw.
12-point lead. Cayuma. And the running attack will drop in from Jen Casugod. So 18-7. Ateneo still up by 11. At ito ngayon, Angelica Cayuma up to serve. The 16-year-old freshman with a service ace. So 18-8. FEU trying to have fun.
Trying, pero ang hirap kapag malaking kalabangan ng kalaban.
Cayuma again. Valdez with a better reception this time. Galing likod, Maraginot, malakas. This is 3 straight points now for FEU. So Cayuma once again. Ateneo fixing their reception alignment. That one goes out. So 19-9. Ahumiro ngayon na magsaserve. So Rongo, may Papa, Amy, Kiwi, Ahumiro.
Tsaka daming nickname.
Oo. Cayuma, Gonzaga, and Hekeliana just remembered. Nakaliwete nga pala ito.
Oo, ibang dadaanan ng bola nito.
Si Hekeliana with a big smile. Still waiting for Coach Tai to empty his bench actually. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Casugod. De Jesus. Sent now to Eliza off the net. Played by Cayuma. Casugod sending it to nobody. Ginoo saves it. De Leon on the quick. It's still kept alive by Malabanan. Eliza, keep that alive, sabi ni Eliza.
Mahihirapan kayo.
20-10 ang ating score. Giselle Tan to serve. I'm out FEU.
Pag tumalas ka na mo, spiker nila, talong ka rin agad, palo ka agad, huwag ka muna tumipesa. Alam mo mauna. Mag-dipesa muna tayo. Pag unahan tayo makata, hindi na dinidipesa, tapos yung receipt natin. Okay? Service receipt. Eh. Saka pa, saka. Lapit lang. Saka.
Layo pa yan, di pa tapos. Target. Isip ko na tayo. Tama lang. Sipag punch defense.
That's pretty much all you can say if you're Coach Shaq.
And they're not really in the best position at this point. Talagang hirap din, ano, dahil hindi nila masabayan itong Ateneo.
Well, taking a look at this, even if FEU does lose this, they are in the semifinals.
It's just really about positioning.
They could be the number 4 team. And mga kalaban ulit na sa semifinals, itong Ateneo.
Ateneo ulit.
So 20-11 after the score from FEU. Heather Ginoa now to serve. So lang patikitin yung score. It's the number 1 objective right now. Okay, cut it down to 5. Well, it's back to 10. Bea De Leon. 21-11. Here come the subs. Madi Madayag seeing her first action. That lady out of Davao. And Bea just making sure.
Speaking sure because our officials are strict. Kailangan yung palitan. Ano yan? Naka-cue.
Hindi ko alam kung okay na ba. Kumikirot pa yata ulo niya eh. Kayuma. Pons. Yes. And Jesus very upset at herself na yun lang, hindi ko pa nakuha.
Oo. Pero itong si Pons nga, wala sa top scorers ngayon ng FU because she really has not produced as much.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. And that one is set out by Maraguino. 21-13. Ateneo 4 points away from remaining undefeated and malamang sa alamang being the number 1 team in the semifinals.
Good reception.
Oops. Yep. Giselle Tan. Medyo sabi ni referee Jess Villarreal, medyo mahirap yung ginagawa mo, Iha.
Oo. At kitang-kita. Tama naman, kitang-kita rin dun sa angulo.
Oo. And now 21-14. Gonzaga. Tan lifts it up. Maraguino through the block. 22-14. Madi Madayag now to serve. Oops. 22-15.
Malamig pa.
Oo. Madi Madayag sometimes starts actually para sa Ateneo. Depende kung sino kalaban.
But there are some people talaga rin na kahit you pull them out from the bench at hindi pa ganun ka, madali agad mag-init, madaling mag-adjust.
That's a good serve there coming from Malabanan and net violation Pons.
But that should have been a good dig by Gonzaga. Ito yung nasasayang na puntos dito sa FEU.
So Kim Hekiliana now 2 points away from staying undefeated. Ahomiro. And Amy says, where you want to eat tonight?
We can go.
I don't know if there's a place that sells New Zealand food here. Meron kaya ganun?
Could be meron.
Match point now for Ateneo. They have 9 of them. And Jovelyn Gonzaga saves 1.
dito sa side ng FEU, alam na alam at saka kitang-kita, angat na angat no? It's really Gonzaga scoring the points. Sa Ateneo, dahil halos lahat sila talagang nagko-contribute. It's dikit-dikit ang kanilang mga score.
Eliza goes to the bench. Kayla Chanko-Williams seeing her first action. Guest player for Ateneo. Eight match points for the Lady Eagles. Bernadette Pons serving. De Jesus, Tan, Ahumiro, Kayuma, Duremdes, Pons. Another point saved by FEU. And Coach Tai is now getting unhappy.
And they just need 1 point to close it out. Sa lagay nang yan Laki ng kanilang lamang.
Coach Tai is now barking at where the position should be. Pons, Hekiliana, habol si Ella. And that is given up again by Hekiliana. Kayuma, Ginoo applying just the right amount of power at talaga placing ang kanyang opensa. This is now 3 straight points for FEU. Maraginot. Better defense now by FEU. Back set, Gonzaga. Maraginot, yes! And at long last, Ateneo finally puts the pesky FEU squad away in the third set, 25-18. So Ateneo remains undefeated and they will be the #1 team in the league, regardless already of what happens in their final assignment. But they will be the #1 team in the league. Here's our shaky shake and play right now with Joanna Maraginot putting it away for the Lady Eagles. We'll be back to wrap it up after these. To stay undefeated dito po sa ating quarterfinals as we send it down to Crystal Bachelor with our shaky player of the game na may kasama. Go ahead, Crystal.
May bisita pa. So, saang aspeto kayo ng laban na hirapan kahit na 3 sets lang?
I think, syempre hirapan kami sa pagiging consistent as a team kasi kailangan, nag-adjust kami as a team talaga kasi yung blocking namin, defense namin, adjust din namin kasi yung, nag-adjust na kami so nahirapan kami maging consistent throughout the game.
Pero gayon pa man, meron pa ba kayo na-feel na pressure to remain undefeated?
Wala naman po, siguro lang, kailangan lang namin gawin yung laro namin, kailangan lang namin yun nga, pag trabuhan yung consistency.
Thank you so much, and of course, you are our Shakey's player of the game. You will receive a box of pizza from Shakey's. May gusto ka bang batiin?
Hi sa family ko, sa friends ko, sa mga prof ko, at saka sa family ng teammates ko. Hi Papa Nirang, hi!
Thank you so much and congratulations, Ateneo. Back to you guys.
Joanna Maraginot, our player of the game with video bomber Eliza Valdez. As we take a look at Ateneo, 6-0 in the quarterfinals. Of course, safely through as the #1 team sa ating semifinals. FEU in the semifinals as well, regardless of what Arellano does in their last game.
That's right. So, really exciting times ahead. At makikita natin, pwestuhan na ngayon yung aabangan natin sa mga susunod na laro.
At abangan nyo rin po kami the next time we give you the action right here on the Shakey's B-League. And of course, that'll be tomorrow. NU versus UST live. And on behalf of our interviewer, Crystal Bachelor, and my partner, Andre Mullacanda, ito po si Noel Zanote. Paalam!